Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to this new series. This is called the Tool of the Day, and the Tool of the Day today is Google AI Studio. I'm going to make this video as quick and as informational packed as possible. But first things first, I need to change this to the dark theme because I'm white as hell. In this video, we're going to be going over the features vibe coding, video creation, image creation, sharing your screen to the AI. So obviously you guys know you can chat with the model. That's basically just Gemini. We're not going to be going over that. You guys already know that. Let's start here. We can vibe code, build me a Pac-Man type game. All right, guys, let's take a look at this preview. This is pretty quick. So this can create apps like SaaS services, so it can create like school projects or something. Pretty cool stuff here, guys. All right, so the next thing Google AI Studio is really good for is image generation. Create an image of a banana wearing a costume. Okay, this is with Nano Banana. Great. That's a banana wearing a costume. That's pretty good. Alright, let's try something else. Design me a hydro flask image for an ad. So this is an image of a hydro flask for an ad. So it essentially just gave me an entire ad. So this is pretty cool. Video generation is called VO. So let's try this out. Alright, so this is an example of a video created with VO 3.1.
I prompt now.
I'm not AI, I'm a real human. No, we are not made with prompts. No, we're not made with prompts. We're all genuine.
Yeah, we're real people. Is this real? I don't know. I really don't.
This is kind of funny, actually. It's so meta. This is very strange.
I feel like someone wrote me into a script.
Alright, so that is an example of stuff that's built with VO 3.1. VO 2 is also something that you can be using, so it turns pictures into videos. Alright, I'd say that's pretty good for the prompt that I was given, and it made that in like 40 seconds. So, now before we get into what I think is going to be the best feature that this tool offers, we're gonna first cover the absolute worst. So guys, this is the most useless feature that I have ever seen. I don't know why you'd be using this, but maybe if you're doing like a
We're seeing
podcast
a
or
noticeable
something.
shift in consumer preferences across several sectors. What seems to be driving this change?
It appears to be a combination of factors, including greater awareness of sustainability issues and a growing demand for personalized experiences.
Yeah, it's basically two AIs talking to each other, so it's like a podcast or something. Like I said, not sure why you would want to use that, but knock yourselves out with that one. All right, right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do one of my favorite features right here. So we're gonna give it a prompt.
How about we try a prompt like create a recipe for a delicious vegan chocolate cake? We can refine it from there.
How about you shut the fuck up and let me tell you what we're gonna do?
Understood. I'm ready when you are to hear what you'd like to do next.
Okay, the prompt we're gonna give it is we're gonna have it help us navigate to YouTube while looking at this screen. So that's your prompt.
You can navigate to YouTube by typing youtube.com in the search bar at the top of the screen and then pressing enter.
All right, can you help me navigate to my subscriptions, please? I don't see where it is. Can you tell me where it is?
The subscriptions link is located on the left side of the screen, below the home icon. Do you need help with anything else?
Is it below the home icon or it's below a different icon?
It's below the shorts icon, which is below the home icon. Does that help clarify it for you?
Yeah, it does. Obviously, it needs work, but that is one of my favorite features that is going to be really good in the future. So it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do, exactly where to go. Okay, so yeah, that's everything. That's basically everything you need to know that Google AI Studio offers. That you wouldn't really know if you weren't in the space. So we went over Nano Banana, which is image creation, VO3. which is video creation, text to speech, useless, unless you're filming like an AI podcast. I don't know. I'm sure somebody out there has a good use for it. Maybe like an ad or something. That's a good use for it. Um, and also the screen share feature, which obviously needs some work, but that's what we want. We want something that can look at our screen and has a brain of a supercomputer and tell us what to do. So, alright, thanks for watching, guys. This was tool one, day one of tool of the day. So,